Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. Today, we're taking a closer look at what could be one of the most eye-catching touring camper trikes of the year, the new 2026 Honda GoldWing GCT camper trike in an exclusive purple finish. This video is based on my personal analysis, automotive research, and comparisons with other luxury touring trikes currently available in the market. If you're a fan of long-distance travel, premium comfort, and unique styling, this machine is definitely worth discussing. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing that grabs your attention is the stunning purple exterior. While most touring trikes are offered in traditional black, silver, or white colors, this vibrant purple paint gives the GoldWing GCT camper trike a completely different personality. It looks modern, premium, and instantly stands out on the road. The paint appears to have a deep metallic finish that changes slightly depending on lighting conditions, giving the trike a luxury-inspired appearance. From the front, the design remains unmistakably GoldWing. The aerodynamic fairing, sleek LED headlights, and aggressive front profile create a sophisticated touring presence. Honda's design language focuses on both style and wind protection, and this camper trike continues that tradition. The front windshield is large and carefully shaped to reduce wind fatigue during long rides, making highway journeys much more comfortable. Moving along the sides, the extended camper conversion transforms the motorcycle into a true touring machine. The rear trike setup not only improves stability but also creates additional space for storage and camping equipment. The wider rear stance gives the vehicle a confident road presence while improving balance at lower speeds. One of the biggest highlights of this concept is the integrated camper module. Unlike traditional touring motorcycles that require separate camping trailers, this setup incorporates the camping functionality directly into the trike's design. The camper section appears compact yet practical, making weekend adventures and road trips much more convenient. The rear section is equally impressive. Large storage compartments provide space for luggage, camping gear, travel accessories, and personal belongings. LED taillights add a modern touch while improving visibility during nighttime rides. The overall design successfully blends motorcycle styling with recreational vehicle practicality. Stepping into the interior features, comfort remains a major priority. The rider's seat appears generously padded and ergonomically designed for long-distance touring. Honda has always been known for producing some of the most comfortable motorcycle seats in the industry, and this camper trike seems to continue that reputation. The passenger seat is equally luxurious, offering excellent back support and armrests for extended journeys. Whether you're traveling across states or exploring scenic mountain roads, both rider and passenger can enjoy a comfortable experience without excessive fatigue. The dashboard is expected to feature a modern digital display system with navigation, ride information, fuel economy data, audio controls, and smartphone connectivity. A large infotainment screen would make route planning and entertainment easier during long trips. Features like Bluetooth integration, GPS navigation, and voice command functionality would fit perfectly within the premium touring character of the vehicle. Storage solutions are another major advantage. Touring enthusiasts understand the importance of carrying gear efficiently, and this camper trike appears designed with that in mind. Multiple compartments throughout the vehicle allow riders to organize essentials without sacrificing comfort or accessibility. The camper area itself is what truly sets this machine apart. Although compact, it appears capable of providing basic camping functionality for overnight adventures. The design focuses on practicality, allowing travelers to enjoy greater independence during road trips. Instead of booking hotels every night, riders could potentially use the camper section as a convenient resting solution during long-distance journeys. Now let's talk about performance, because a touring trike is only as good as its ability to handle long roads comfortably. The 2026 GoldWing GCT camper trike is expected to build upon Honda's legendary touring platform. Under the bodywork, it would likely feature a version of Honda's famous flat-six engine, known worldwide for its smooth power delivery and exceptional reliability. One of the biggest strengths of the GoldWing engine is refinement. Power delivery feels smooth across the entire RPM range, making highway cruising effortless. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising through open highways, the engine provides ample power for both rider and passenger while carrying camping equipment. Acceleration is expected to be strong yet controlled. Unlike sport motorcycles that prioritize aggressive performance, touring machines focus on smooth and predictable power. This makes long rides less stressful and more enjoyable. The GCT transmission system would likely offer quick and seamless gear changes. Riders who spend hours on the road appreciate smooth shifting because it reduces fatigue and improves overall comfort. Automatic and semi-automatic transmission technology has become increasingly popular in premium touring motorcycles, and it would be a welcome feature here. Handling is another area where the Trike configuration offers advantages. Traditional motorcycles require constant balancing at low speeds, but the three-wheel setup improves stability significantly. Riders can enjoy greater confidence during parking maneuvers, city traffic, and slow-speed turns. The suspension system is expected to be tuned specifically for touring comfort. Long travel suspension helps absorb road imperfections, reducing vibrations and improving ride quality. Whether you're riding on smooth highways or rough secondary roads, comfort remains a priority. Braking performance should also be impressive. Large disc brakes combined with modern safety technologies such as ABS provide strong stopping power and enhanced rider confidence. Safety is crucial for a touring machine designed to carry additional weight and travel long distances. Fuel efficiency remains an important consideration for touring enthusiasts. While the camper conversion adds some weight, Honda's engineering expertise generally delivers respectable fuel economy for a vehicle of this size. Combined with a large fuel tank, riders can expect fewer fuel stops and longer travel distances between fill-ups. Technology is another area where this camper Trike could shine. Modern rider assistance features such as cruise control, traction control, multiple riding modes, tire pressure monitoring, and advanced connectivity options would significantly enhance the touring experience. These technologies help reduce rider fatigue while improving safety and convenience. For travelers who enjoy spending days or even weeks on the road, features like heated seats, heated grips, premium audio systems, and smartphone integration can make a huge difference. Luxury touring is all about comfort, and the GoldWing platform has always excelled in that category. Now let's discuss pricing. Since this is a highly specialized camper Trike based on the premium GoldWing platform, buyers should expect a significant investment. A standard GoldWing already sits in the luxury touring category, and the addition of a Trike conversion and integrated camper system would naturally increase costs. Based on current market trends and comparable premium touring Trikes, pricing could realistically start somewhere between $45,000 and $65,000 depending on equipment levels, customization options, and camper specifications. Fully loaded versions with advanced technology packages and premium accessories could potentially exceed that range. Of course, for many touring enthusiasts, value is measured by the experiences the vehicle provides rather than just the purchase price. A camper Trike combines transportation, adventure, and travel freedom into a single package. For riders who spend significant time exploring the open road, that combination can be extremely appealing. Overall, the new 2026 Honda GoldWing GCT camper Trike in purple represents an exciting vision of luxury touring and camping convenience. Its striking exterior design, premium comfort, practical storage solutions, advanced technology, and capable touring performance make it one of the most interesting concepts in the camper Trike segment. The unique purple finish helps it stand out from traditional touring motorcycles, while the integrated camper functionality adds a new level of adventure potential. For riders seeking something beyond the ordinary, this machine offers a compelling blend of style, comfort, practicality, and road trip capability. As always, this review reflects my personal analysis based on available information, automotive research, and comparisons with similar touring models. Actual specifications, features, and pricing may vary depending on final production details and market availability. Thanks for watching Auto Analysis Hub. If you enjoy detailed automotive reviews, touring motorcycle analysis, and future vehicle discussions, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Until next time, ride safe, travel far, and keep exploring the open road.